This review focuses on the best 3D printers available this year, highlighting models that truly stand out in print quality, build reliability, and ease of use. These machines are designed to simplify the printing process while delivering consistent and precise results across a wide range of materials and projects. After weeks of careful research, analyzing technical specifications, and comparing real-world performance, the most practical and feature-rich 3D printers have been identified. Each selected 3D printer offers a strong balance of accuracy, efficiency, and long-term value. As a result, buyers can confidently choose a model that fits their needs without feeling overwhelmed by countless similar options on the market. Please check the links in the description box for further details. First up is the Flashforge AD5X Multicolor 3D printer, which is an impressive multicolor Core XY 3D printer that balances speed, versatility, and ease of use. It's typically priced at $499. It features a smart 4-color intelligent filament system that automatically switches between spools, letting you create vibrant, detailed multicolor prints without complex setups. The Core XY motion system and direct drive extruder, which is capable of heating up to 300 degrees, which enables high-speed printing up to 600 millimeters per second with excellent precision and stability. Setup is straightforward thanks to its intuitive 4.3 inches touchscreen and one-click auto-leveling, while power loss recovery ensures prints restart reliably after interruptions. The standard build volume fits most projects, and the quick-release nozzles make maintenance easier. On the downside, the open-frame design can be noisy, and multicolor printing naturally produces filament purge waste, which is common for this class of printer. Next is the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo Multicolor 3D printer, which is a versatile and feature-packed FDM machine that makes multicolor printing more accessible for creators who want expressive, complex models. It's typically priced at $540. It uses the Anycubic ACE Pro system to handle up to 4 colors expandable to 8, with active drying and anti-tangle filament handling to keep materials in optimal condition even during long jobs. Built on a Core XY structure, this printer delivers fast movement with print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and reliable precision across a build volume. The 320 degrees hot end expands material options, and quiet operation keeps noise low compared with many Core XY systems. Auto-leveling, dynamic flow tuning, and an intuitive 4.3 inches touchscreen simplify setup and everyday use, while AI monitoring and a built-in camera help you keep tabs on prints remotely. One standout advantage is simultaneous drying and printing, a real plus for filament quality, but like many multicolor single-nozzle setups, color transitions create extra purge waste, and getting the best results may take some slicer tuning. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo Multicolor 3D printer combines speed, multi-material flexibility, and smart features into a capable mid-tier multicolor 3D printer. Next up is the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D printer, which is a Core XY-powered FDM machine that impresses with speed, automation, and practical features ideal for hobbyists and makers alike. It's typically priced at $380. It offers a generous build volume and a sturdy, enclosed design that helps stabilize temperature and reduce vibrations for cleaner results. Thanks to its Core XY motion system, the Centauri Carbon can print at speeds up to 500 millimeters per second with rapid acceleration, letting you complete projects faster without sacrificing detail. Built-in auto-calibration and one-click leveling simplify setup and ensure a reliable first layer, while features like power loss recovery and a filament runout sensor add convenience and fewer failed prints. A 320 degrees nozzle expands material options, handling PLA, PE, TG, ABS, and even carbon fiber composites, while the integrated chamber camera lets you monitor progress or capture time-lapse footage of your prints. If you want a plug-and-play experience with minimal setup, this model may feel a bit rough around the edges. Overall, the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D printer blends high-speed performance, modern automation, and thoughtful extras into a capable 3D printer that's ready to tackle everyday printing tasks right out of the box. Coming up next is the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer, which is a standout compact FDM machine that blends speed, precision, and user-friendly automation into a highly capable package. It's typically priced at $219. Right out of the box, it's plug-and-play, pre-assembled, tuned, and ready to print. Thanks to full auto-calibration for bed leveling, Z-offset, vibration, and nozzle pressure. Equipped with the AMS Lite multicolor system, the A1 Mini handles up to 4 filament colors, giving you vibrant, detailed prints without complex setup. Its active flow rate compensation and high-speed motion system achieve excellent extrusion accuracy and quality at speeds up to 500 mm per second. One of its biggest perks is how quiet it runs. In silent mode, noise levels are typically very low, making it suitable for home, office, or classroom environments. The intuitive touchscreen and seamless software integration with Bambu Studio make it accessible to beginners, yet capable for more advanced users. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is the perfect choice for students and creators alike. Finally, the Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D printer, which is a high-end multicolor FDM powerhouse built for makers who want large prints, advanced features, and speedy results. It's typically priced at $1,624. It supports multicolor printing with Creality's filament system, capable of blending up to 16 colors when using 4 CFS units together, which is ideal for vibrant art, prototypes, and detailed multi-material models. With a generous build volume, this printer handles large projects without splitting parts, while 600 mm per second top speeds and up to 30,000 mm per second squared acceleration. Full auto-leveling and active bed tilt calibration make setup easy, and dual AI cameras actively monitor prints and detect issues, helping reduce failed jobs. The robust alloy frame and dual-gear direct-drive extruder up to 350 degrees expand material compatibility, and features like filament sensors, power loss recovery, and Wi-Fi and USB connectivity add convenience. While this is a premium machine that may take some tuning for optimal results, overall, the Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D printer delivers big, fast, and colorful printing with advanced automation and monitoring built in. For more honest product reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video.